Hey, 7th graders, Mr. Allard live from my empty classroom. Yes, it's still very, very warm in here. But I just wanted to have a quick video to kind of show what we're expected to do today. Now, this is out of the ordinary a little bit. I'm going to try to get a Zoom link up, but again, if that Zoom link is up, if you need help, if you have any questions about work you owe or work you're doing, but there's no need for you to come into the Zoom if you can get through Schoology and work through it that way. I know there's a lot of stuff going on at home. You may be watching brothers and sisters, you may be having to do chores, you may be having internet issues or whatever, and Zoom may zap all that up. So if only use that Zoom if you'd like to come in and ask some questions or are unsure what the work you're supposed to be doing today. But let's get this show on the road. Should be relatively quick, easy, straightforward day for you to kind of try to get some work done to help us as we move into our next unit. So I am in our normal class page, I guess I should say, in the material section. You'll notice what I did is I put a blue folder for remote learning. I'll do that for each day. I'm also going to make it so if you can't get into that folder unless you've finished the folder from the day before, so people will not necessarily get that much behind. Okay, so you're going to click on the folder here. It's going to look a little bit different. Let's see if I can view it as one of you guys. Pick Jesse just because his name pops up first. So if I click on it, you'll notice that this is grayed out. That's grayed out because you need to do the OTA first. Now, what's most likely going to happen is I'm going to post this video and make you at least click on it in order to get to the OTA. So if something is grayed out, make sure you complete the assignment before that. It can happen with a folder too. Make sure you go back and complete any of those folders. So you're going to do your first OTA. This is relatively simple, straightforward. Use your chapter, it shouldn't say chapter 1, it should be your chapter 8. I don't know why it says that, but today's been crazy anyways. So use that to pick the vocabulary term that correctly fits the sentence. Ooh, that is all messed up. I will go back and change that. When you hit submit, remember you can do it twice. Do it twice if you don't get that 5 out of 5 on the first attempt. Let me get out of this as Jesse so you can see the next assignment. You're going to drop down to your colonial political chart. Looks like some of us have jumped into it already. Use the chart to answer the following sentences and complete sentences using RAG. So you've got to use your RAG. So if I'm coming through, there's my chart. Which part of the colonial government had the final say in any law, could control trade, could dismiss the colonial assembly? Take off your question mark, take off your question part, and say, the part of the colonial government that had the final say in any law, could control trade, and could dismiss the colonial assembly was, look up my chart, add my answer. That's going to be the royal governor. Boom. That is my sentence. All right, do that for the next 4 questions using the same chart, and you should be good to go. After that, any makeup work, I sent you all messages yesterday of any makeup work that you owe, so please make sure to start knocking off any of those assignments, including the mercantilism stuff from Friday. But that's it for today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, as always, reach out to me through Schoology. Hopefully I can get the Zoom link working today. For some reason was not cooperating with my computer. But as always, till next time, 7th graders, remember, go Bills. Allard out.